This is the PA system in the announcer's booth behind home plate. You'll use this system to announce each batter as they come up to the plate and to play music between innings if you like. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure the system is on. If this red light is not on, check these three things. First, look around the back and make sure the power button is depressed. Next, make sure the power strip is turned on. Finally, make sure that the power strip is plugged into the wall. Next, make sure both master volume controls are up. I like to set them near the triangle at the 3 o'clock position. The master volume controls the level of everything coming out of the PA system, both the mic and the music. This is your microphone volume. Set this control to your liking. Like master volume, I usually put it near the little triangle at the 3 o'clock position. If the level is too high, you might hear some feedback, so turn it down. If it's too low, your announcements won't be heard. The mic has an on and an off switch. When it's red, the mic is on. When it's black, the mic is off. If you want to connect your phone to the system via Bluetooth to play music between innings, use the Amazon Bluetooth connector. Just tap the button in the back until the blue light flashes. Then, open Settings on your phone and connect it to the Amazon audio device. Any music playing on your phone will play through the PA system. Adjust the level using channel 6 marked Bluetooth. I usually just let my playlist run on shuffle for the duration of the game and bring up the level between innings. That way I don't have to worry about starting and stopping playback. If you'd rather not connect your own device, you can use this MP3 player. It is connected a little differently, so use the tape control marked Music to adjust the level of the MP3 player. To start the playlist, press M, then the forward arrows, and then the center play button. That's all there is to it. If you're running the last game, please make sure to close the windows upstairs by untying the green ropes that run through the ceiling. If you have any trouble with the system at all, give me a call or send me a text.